Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our monthly video, which is the BoxyCharm unboxing. This is May's box. It did take a little bit to come, but with everything going on, I completely get it. Things are taking a lot longer to get here and get shipped out. So it's fine. So I do get the normal base box, which is $25 a month, and this is what it looks like. The first thing that you get is a pamphlet, and it tells you the theme of the month box, and on the back of it, it tells you all the products that you're receiving as well as retail value. So this month is Mother Nature and products, retail value, all that. So okay, so the first product right here is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. This is the product that I chose. Every month you get to pick one of two products, and this was the one that I wanted to do. I've really been into skincare, and I'm trying to be very proactive and stay on top of skincare, so I felt like this was gonna be really good for my skin type. So this is supposed to smooth your skin, give you a luminous complexion. It's got mild acid, probiotic, ferment complex, a bunch of other stuff, and this retails you $59. So I'm really excited about this, and these come with 60 pads. So I'm sure I can probably use one a day. It says that it's very effective and it's very gentle, so I'm very much into that. I did do a little bit of research on this, so this looked like it was going to be really good for my skin type and things that I'm just into. So the next product is from Tik. I'm probably saying this wrong. It is a cover and conceal crayon. This retails you for $24. It has a full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. Okay, so I did receive one of these in one of my Ipsy bags years ago, and I didn't like it. I didn't even bother trying it because it was way too light for my skin tone. So hopefully, oh, so this is a magnetic container, and this is what it looks like. It is a really cute little packaging. It looks like a little crayon, and oh, the shade actually seems like it could be good. I'm doing a really heavy swatch so you guys can see it. So I can probably get away with using this to brighten up underneath my eye area. I haven't really been too into very bright under eyes, but I definitely want to try this. It's very creamy, so we'll see. I don't know. This might be a little too light, and when things are too light, it can cause a gray cast. So I'm really hoping that I can make this work and test it out. So moving on to the next product. Oh, okay. So this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So this is what it looks like. This is a full size product. This is $18, and it says the ultimate lazy girl hack. The micellar water is gentle no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. I did hear a lot of good things about this product, so I am pretty excited. I'm always looking for really good makeup removers besides makeup wipes, and I'm testing out a couple of other products. So this is actually really cute. The packaging is really nice, and I guess here you just kind of pump it and then put your cotton pad and remove your makeup. So I will be testing this out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But yeah, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I have two more products that's left in here. The first one is a Jouer High Pigment Lip Gloss with coconut oil. I'm really excited about this. I've never tried any of Jouer's high glosses or their lip glosses in general, but I've heard really good things about it, so I'm super excited about this. This is $17. It's non-sticky, full coverage, creamy full coverage, and glides on smoothly. So the shade that I got is Bond. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so this, okay, the sticker is coming off. I'm gonna put that back on. All right, so I'm already disappointed with the color. I love lip gloss, but I love nudes, I love pinks, I love shimmery lip glosses. This is not really something I would reach for. I can probably save this for the winter time, for, you know, fall-ish shade, fall-ish looks, you know what I mean? But I am gonna try this out because I wanna see what their formula is like, because I was really eyeing a couple of their glosses. It smells good. Yeah, it does have a really, really nice scent, and that is, yeah, that's very, very full coverage. Yeah, it does smell really good, and it feels smooth. I'm gonna have to test this out on my lips to really know how I feel about it, but I'm just not a fan of this color. I don't think these colors are very flattering on me, but I will test this out because I want to see how their formula is, because like I said, I kind of want to know if this is lip glosses that I'm down for investing in. Last product that I received are these Ace Beauty eyeshadows. So these are eyeshadow pods. They retail you for $25. I don't know if it's $25 for each or for two. It just says $25. And creamy texture, ultimate color payoff. Okay, so this shade right here is Cotton Candy. This is actually a really, really pretty color. I'm gonna swatch both of them. And then this one is Iced Latte, which is a really pretty color as well. I don't think I can do a full look since both colors seem kind of similar, but alone, oh, these are really nice. Cotton Candy is stunning. Okay, so this is Cotton Candy and this is Iced Latte, and it reminds me of ColourPop's Super Shock eyeshadows. The formula feels really, really good, and there is a lot of pigment. It's beautiful, beautiful color shift. Just, it's really pretty, really, really pretty. All right, so that is pretty much it for my box. I'm kind of 50-50. I don't think this was a bad box, and I don't think it was a great box, just because I am a little hesitant towards the concealer. It may be a little too ashy for my skin tone, and the lip gloss, I'm not a huge fan of the shade, but I'm excited that I got a Jouer lip gloss, so at least now I can try it on and I can see how I feel about the formula before getting it, because that was stopping me. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it, and I hate ordering things online, especially if I'm not sure. You know, I don't want to do the whole returning or keeping it and just being unhappy with it and just not making use of the products that I have. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have BoxyCharm, also let me know what you got in your box, and I will see you guys in my next video.